Do you ever go to bed feeling heavy with stress, your mind still racing from the day? You're not alone. Stress builds up during the day, but the good news is, you can release it every evening with a simple routine. In this video, I'll guide you through an evening routine that helps calm your mind, relax your body, and prepare you for deep, restful sleep. Step 1. Unplug from work and devices. Set a boundary between work and rest. At least 1 hour before bed, turn off work emails and limit phone scrolling. Constant notifications keep your brain active. Give yourself permission to disconnect. Step 2. Create a relaxing environment. Dim the lights. Light a candle or use a lamp with warm light. A calming environment signals your brain that it's time to relax. Soft background music or nature sounds can help too. Step 3. Practice gentle movement. Do 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching or yoga. Release the tension that builds up in your shoulders, neck, and back during the day. Movement helps your body shift from stress mode to relaxation mode. Step 4. Use breathing exercises. Try deep breathing before bed. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Repeat several times. Breathing lowers your heart rate and relaxes your nervous system. Step 5. Write it out. Grab a journal and write down your thoughts. List the things that bothered you today, and also note things you're grateful for. Putting thoughts on paper clears your mind so you don't carry them to bed. Step 6. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Spend a few minutes focusing on the present moment. Guided meditation apps or even silent reflection can calm racing thoughts. Let go of the day by focusing on your breath or a calming word. Step 7. Do a simple self-care ritual. Take a warm shower or bath. Sip herbal tea. Moisturize your skin. These small acts of self-care signal your body that it's time to unwind. It's not just about hygiene, it's about creating comfort. Step 8. Read or listen to something relaxing. Instead of scrolling through social media, read a calming book or listen to soothing audio. Choose something positive and gentle that doesn't overstimulate your mind. Step 9. Prepare for tomorrow. Write down your main tasks for tomorrow. Lay out clothes or prepare your bag. When tomorrow feels planned, your mind won't stay restless at night. Step 10. Go to bed at the same time. Finally, keep a consistent bedtime. Going to bed at the same time each night trains your body to expect rest. Consistency reduces stress and improves sleep quality. Releasing stress doesn't take hours, it takes intention. By unplugging, moving gently, breathing deeply, and practicing self-care, you can end each day with peace. Try this evening routine tonight and see how much calmer and lighter you feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which part of this routine will you try first?